Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make a coming soon page in Hostinger website builder. So if you're interested, let's get started. So creating your coming soon page here is very easy with the website builder here from Hostinger. Now, what you need to do here is you just need to access a very specific button. So at the top right, you have the go live button, but you also have this globe button. Now this globe button actually allows you to enable coming soon mode. Now coming soon mode here is a feature that you can enable to basically put your website in coming soon. So in this case, it will be published, or the website will be shown as coming soon instead of just the usual homepage here. Now when you enable this will enable this feature, but make sure to save it. Now another thing that you could do here is you could also edit your coming soon page by clicking on the edit coming soon page. And as you can see, you can add whatever elements, what buttons, videos, galleries. You can even update the section here. Click on edit section, replace the image. You can add your socials. You can add the links for it. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.